Hello everyone, this is The Unspeakable at Interscapes Art Studios. Today I have some new paints mixed up with a new pouring medium, so I'm going to do a double flip cup to check it out. Okay, I'm painting over this painting and I'm reusing these cups which I cleaned out, and they do have a drop of silicone rubbed into the bottoms. This new pouring medium is a blend of GAC800 and tar gel, tar gel is a golden medium, which is very, very, very thick, and it slows down the drying process. And it's about 50-50, and it's really translucent. Okay, crisscross double flip cup. I deliberately poured over this painting because I wanted this color in the background. The tar gel is so translucent that I think the color from below comes up. And I was pouring with magenta and blue and violet. So that was the plan anyway. I wasn't sure what would happen. This is all an experiment. And I only use tar gel in the summer because it takes so long to dry, but it's so hot now that it dries in a few hours. It's great. And this new medium and the golden fluid acrylics, they don't make huge cells as far as I know. And I did not put any silicone in the paint because the paint is so viscous. It's so gluey. It really is like pouring with honey. But I'm enjoying the experiment, and I have a lot of this paint. I've done several of these and they don't come out. So we'll just see what happens here. And also, this is the evening, so it's very blue, but it looks even bluer because the light is low in the sky. Okay, that's interesting. Not what I thought it would be. Let's see how it dries. Oh my goodness, this is the same painting. Can you believe it? Well, I did take this photo in the morning, but still the turquoise came up from underneath and the gold came up and mixed with the red, and it bloomed. So this was a perfect 4th of July painting. It looks like floral fireworks. I guess the little bit of silicone in the bottoms of the cup rose up, and this is what it did. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you soon in the next video.